Many of us are trying to eat healthier, but with so much conflicting information out there, how do you really know if quinoa is better for you than basmati rice? Quinoa and basmati rice are two of the most popular health food choices out there. They're both considered to be superfoods, but which one is actually better for you? You've probably seen quinoa touted as a protein-packed, fiber-rich superfood that's far superior to basmati rice, but is that really true? The truth is, a lot of people don't actually know the difference between quinoa and basmati rice. Some think quinoa is a type of rice, while others believe it's a grain that's completely unrelated to rice. And when it comes to health benefits, many assume quinoa is the clear winner simply because it's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. But what about basmati rice? Does it have any health benefits worth talking about? Basmati rice in particular has been getting a bad rap. Some people claim it's just a refined carbohydrate that's high on the glycemic index, causing your blood sugar to spike. But that's not entirely accurate. While it's true that basmati rice is a refined grain, it's also lower on the glycemic index compared to other types of rice. That means it won't cause a huge spike in blood sugar. And let's not forget that basmati rice is also higher in fiber and nutrients compared to other types of rice. Quinoa does have a slight edge when it comes to protein content. A 1-cup serving of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein, while a 1-cup serving of cooked basmati rice contains about 2 grams. But when it comes to fiber, quinoa and basmati rice are actually pretty similar. A 1-cup serving of cooked quinoa contains about 5 grams of fiber, while a 1-cup serving of cooked basmati rice contains about 3 grams. Fiber and protein are important, but what about other essential nutrients like iron and magnesium? Quinoa is actually a good source of iron and magnesium, while basmati rice is often enriched with these nutrients during processing. So, which grain comes out on top in terms of overall nutrition? When you look at the data, basmati rice actually has a lower calorie count compared to quinoa. A 1-cup serving of cooked quinoa contains about 150 calories, while a 1-cup serving of cooked basmati rice contains about 110 calories. And let's not forget that quinoa can be quite high in oxalates, which can be problematic for people with certain health conditions. So, is quinoa really healthier than basmati rice? Based on the evidence, it's clear that both grains have their own strengths and weaknesses. Quinoa is high in protein and fiber, but basmati rice is lower in calories and has a lower glycemic index. Ultimately, the decision to eat quinoa or basmati rice comes down to personal preference and your individual nutritional needs. We want to hear from you. Do you prefer quinoa or basmati rice? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy eating, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe.